Hey, what's going on, y'all? So today I'm gonna show you how to assemble your Tsmine spin mop bucket system, right? So the way I assemble it. So the first thing I grab is the spinning part, and I'm gonna put it on, I'm gonna pop it, and I'm gonna close it. Then I'm gonna drop this part in first. I'm gonna part straight, I'm gonna lock this part up here, and then I'm gonna do is push it up and tighten. Okay, that's it. Now from here, I'm gonna take my pad, I'm gonna make sure that all the little heads are all out, and all I'm gonna do is put it here, and I'm gonna pop it right in. See, that's it. Then from here, I'm gonna take my rubber part to protect my walls, my floors, whatever you decide to clean, because with these spin mops, you can clean anything you want. Hardwood floors, your walls, your fans, your windows. I mean, the possibilities are endless, okay? So here we go. Now all you gotta do is connect the pieces. See? I love this color. This is a great addition to the Tsmine family. Let's go. Now you have here, your little dispenser. We're gonna drop, and that's it. You are ready to add some water, and we are ready to mop.